Hello friends and welcome to this very important news update from Desi Chale Canada. The first Express Entry draw of March 2020, which is also Express Entries draw number 138, has taken place on March 4th. In the latest draw, the Canadian government has issued 3,900 invitations to apply for permanent residence. The minimum score required to secure an invite in this draw is 471. This is the fifth Express Entry draw of this year. The previous draw took place 2 weeks ago on February 19th, in which 4,500 invitations were issued and the cutoff score in that draw was 470. The cutoff in the latest draw has risen by 1 point as compared to the previous draw. This is again a big disappointment for Express Entry candidates as score has remained above the 470 mark. Although the number of ITAs issued in this draw is less than the previous draw, but the ITAs issued are still pretty high. The last draw where the cutoff score went below 470 was on December 19th last year, which means that the score has remained above 470 for almost 3 months now. We must remember that new candidates are added to the pool every day, and for each draw where the cutoff remains above 470, it would become more and more difficult for candidates in the 460s and 450s to get an invitation. The tiebreak in the latest draw has been set at February 24, 2020, 6:57 UTC time, which means that all candidates with scores 472 and above, as well as those with score 471 who submitted their profile to the Express Entry pool before the tiebreak date and time, will receive an invitation to apply in this draw. Now, let us take a quick look at the composition of the Express Entry pool of candidates as on March 3rd, 2020. The table shows that now there are more than 22,000 candidates with a CRS score of more than 450, and this number will continue to climb until the score comes down. To read the full news and further details, please head to Desi Chale Canada's Facebook page. If you liked this video, then please like it and share it with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to Desi Chale Canada's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.